In every outcast, there's a civilized community.
You shitting me?
Can sometimes feel invisible.
Block you! My family has arrived!
But despite all this, the outcast still is an outcast.
That's great!
So are we!
Did you see that? That kid kicked sand and cool cat.
Give me a break.
Shit!
Yeah, I deserve that.
Cat's coming! Something! What is that thing?
Holy moly! Greetings from the world of
Tomorrow!
Oh my god, we request the honor of your friendship.
You're hot. Wanna make love?
Tonight, you.
Wacky waving inflatable arm flailing tube man.
Mysterious. Alright?
Ta-da! Is the doctor around?
I am!
Well, you're a nerd!
Pigs are stealing our eggs!
Let's sail for
McDonald's!
What do we do now?
You're asking?
Your opinion is unwelcome! The whole world is in danger. I need some angry, blocking birds.
You know, for kids!
Take that, porkers!
She can shoot fireballs out of her.
Time!
Wacky waving inflatable arm flailing.
You've done all this before.
There's a rare bird in these woods.
Not in these nuts.
I don't think it's funny.
Do it! I don't know, but I've been told. I don't know, but I've been told. Fire!
He's coming back. Get down. Can we get an ice pack for Hal?
I wasn't ready!
Chuck! This is the house of horrors! Block these blocking pigs.